All right, guys, do you think you have back pain? Imagine having a spine like this. This guy came into my office about a month ago, 75 years old. He's been to the MD, he's done the pain pills, he's done the injections, he's done the PT, still having pain in the lower back, still having that sciatica pain down the right leg. Now he's got an artificial hip, his pelvis is out of alignment, he's got a scoliosis with severe degeneration in through this part of his spine, canal stenosis, you name it, this guy has it. So what we started doing is we started adjusting this guy. Now I'm not going to push on this guy's back. I'm not going to twist his lower back. I'm not going to be forceful on it because it's going to flare up the arthritis. So what we've been doing is we've been using the ArthroStim. The ArthroStim thrust, 12 times per second, gently moving those joints back into place, getting that pressure off this nerve. Now this guy is getting relief. Now if you think you have bad back problems, imagine having this and we're getting this guy relief. Try chiropractic. It can help.